this website. You'll write the ground for years. Would you
Oh my god, one septillion. How dare you mouth it 1 sextillion? That's it. You're grounded forever, buddy!